This video is about how to install FreeTheTree extension for Gumtree. Let's begin. First, we are starting to go to our FreeTheTree co.uk main website. There, find and click Install. And because you are watching this video, you don't have to read how to do it. I'm gonna show you. So just use this Chrome Web Store link. And we are in a Chrome Web Store on the FreeTheTree product. We'd like to add it, so click Add it. Using those, we agree for the extension to manipulate the websites. So we need to agree and add this extension once more. And as it says, the extension has been added to Chrome, and we can start using it. Let's go to the Gumtree tab. Nothing changed. We need to refresh it. Now I can see the FreeTheTree to the new version installed and active, but also the old one is active. It's strongly recommended to use only one of these versions, and only the newest gonna have the support. So let's go to the extension. To do it, click Menu on Chrome, More Tools, Extensions, and there is a list of all installed extensions. We can disable the old one or remove it as you want. Come back to the Gumtree tab, refresh it, and yeah, FreeTheTree, the new FreeTheTree is installed and ready to use. And how to do it and what features it offers, you can see in our videos. You're welcome to see it. Thank you.